So how much is this going to cost? Yesterday I opened applications for my AI workshop kit. This kit includes my workshop material and a license to go and teach that material. Business assets like a one-pager, a proposal template, and also education. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually customize everything and go and find clients yourself. At the moment, we're doing an application procedure. We have over 80 people have applied. And next week, starting on Monday, we're going to start to send out both the licensing details and the pricing. A question here on one of my videos is I could not see any reference to the price. That's true. It is not on the page. And the reason for this is what we're going to be doing with the licensing is we're asking for both your location and the industry that you want to focus on. This is going to allow us to adjust the pricing depending on the value of that particular license. So for example, if I wanted to get the license for London for pharmaceutical companies, that allows me to charge a lot more for workshops because I'm in London where prices are higher and it's a high profit industry as well. The companies that I will be teaching can afford to pay several £1,000s per hour for the workshop. Whereas if I got a license for, let's say, Thailand for the restaurant industry, maybe they're only going to be paying me $100 per hour. So what we'll do is adjust the pricing depending on the value of the particular license that you're applying for. This would primarily be location based, and there's not going to be a huge variation between them, but we're going to use it just to make things a bit fairer. The goal though with all of the pricing is that you'll be able to make back your investment very quickly in 1 or maybe 2 workshops. I'm saying 1 or 2, it's probably going to be 1, just because the caliber of the people I'm seeing applying, a lot of you are already workshop facilitators, you're already coaches, so it means you're already going to have the confidence and the connections to be able to talk to companies and say, hey, this is the price. What I will say is we are keeping the price very low for this first cohort because it is the first cohort. What we're looking to do is to work with a smaller group of people and really get a huge amount of success with them. And here, full disclosure, is the fully cynical part. This is because I want to get great testimonials. I want to get great case studies. I want people raving about how great this kit is so that when I do cohort 2 and cohort 3 and potentially eventually turn this into an evergreen product, the prices each time are going to increase a lot. So, yep, that's a very long answer to a short question. The basic answer is upon application, we're going to contact you with the pricing details for that particular license. We're going to start doing that on Monday. This weekend on Saturday, so that's tomorrow, we're going to be launching this to my newsletter, which is about 50,000 people. So expecting a lot more uptake. So it's going to be a busy week next week, but we will start contacting people on Monday.